Fix network stuck on identifying in Windows 11/10. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the network connection stuck on identifying issue in Windows. Let's get started. Step 1. Run Network Troubleshooter. First, click on Search and type Troubleshoot. Open Troubleshoot settings. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet, then click Run. Windows will automatically try to detect and fix the problem. Follow any suggestions it shows. If this does not fix the issue, move to the next step. Step 2. Reset network settings. Open Settings again. Go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset. Click Reset now. Your PC will restart and you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after reboot. Step 3. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Open Search, type Control Panel and open it. Click Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Wi-Fi and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and select Enable. These steps should fix the network stuck on identifying issue in Windows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot.